UNCY is down 21.62%. This is the pre-market session of Monday, the 30th of June. The FDA declined to approve the company's kidney disease drug, Oxylanthanum Carbonate, citing manufacturing issues at a third-party vendor. The FDA flagged the issue as of the 10th of June, which resulted in a 40% dip in the stock. Let's see, okay. The company was seeking the FDA's not to use the drug as a treatment for hyperphosphatemia, a condition of high phosphate levels in patients on dialysis. The FDA found no problems with the drug's safety data, clinical studies, or the drug use itself. The company says it has already identified a backup manufacturing vendor that has successfully produced the drug and has a good regulatory track record. The company has $20.7 million in cash. We could last them into the second half of 2026. Okay, so I don't think this is not a fatal plunge. 10th of June, this is it. Yeah, 10th of June, and it rebounded. Didn't recover all the losses it printed. Yeah, I didn't recover it, but still recovered. So is this deep? Is this buy a deep? Is this deep a buy? Cautiously, maybe, but you just have to be careful. Yeah, algos are suggesting that by the close of today's trading session, it would have recovered somewhat and may continue to do so going all the way towards Monday, the 7th of June. There's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. It did that before, then it printed at lower price. Um, no guarantee that this will equally be the case this time around again. We have 7.04 upper projection, 7.88, 8.4. The price pressure momentum is indicating a severe bearish situation for its 10-day moving 10 period moving average. Let's see what the market grid is going to give us. We only have projections going all the way towards 8.4. Let's see whether it has anything higher than that. 8.4 and 7.04 or thereabout. Let's see what the grid is saying. Okay, the grid is saying 6.87. What's the current price? Current price is 5.3. Okay, grid is saying between 4.51 and 6.87. So, okay, there's also the prospect of printing lower prices. You can see this now, 4.51. Okay, so let's get back to the 3 hour chart and see what's going on. On the 3 hour chart, we had, let's see, 7.01 is the market grid's limit. Upper projections, down projection 3.61, 4.28, 5.38 is, yeah, a slight upper projection. Market grid is between 7.05. Okay, so it's here on the 3 hour chart, it's trading at a discount to its market grid, indicating that it could rebound, and get into that grid. But if it doesn't do that anytime soon, then this will be invalidated. The market grid will reconfigure, and some other price will print, but they will still be on the charts here. You'll still be able to see them. So we have 6.445, a potential upper projection going all the way towards 7.01. It's currently at 5.25 now. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. I didn't check the projections there. I think I did. Okay. So we have 8.23 upper projections, 9.23 and 9.83. The market grid is saying between 6.78 and 4.6. So here on the 2 hour chart, there's an indication that it could print lower prices. Lower prices could still print. Yeah, but upper projections go all the way towards 9.83. Below that 9.22, below that 8.23. 1 hour chart, what do we have? We have Market grade is upper projections. We have 7.02, 7.55, 7.87. Market grade is between 6.33 and 5.05. So yeah, still the 1 hour market grid is indicating that lower prices could still print, but at the same time, yeah, it could still rebound. It could still rebound. Yeah, just as the extrapolation of its 3 period moving average is indicating that we will see a strong rebound anytime soon before the market. Okay, just at the open of today's. Okay, well, maybe half an hour into the market's open, some recovery might print, but ultimately recovery is expected by Wednesday, the 2nd of July. Projections have really read them out, yeah, going all the way towards 7.87. Okay, let's quickly glance at the 1 minute chart and see. 1 minute chart, we have 5.31 upper projection, 5.16 downward projection, 5.08 downward projection. 6.05 upper projection, 4.7 now, 4.79 downward projection. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. Let's see what we have here. We have 5.41, 5.58, 6.8, 6.68. Yeah. So yeah, the stock is down, but I don't think it's that fatal. Don't think that is that fatal. No problem with the drug itself. It's just manufacturing issues, which they have already identified a potential manufacturing vendor. That, from what I understand from what they've just pointed out, they tried to use the drug for another medical issue, but it was also rejected. So let's see how things go. And thank you very much for watching this video.